Ang gichikan, huy, ako gipabayad sa service nga 65,000 nga, binuko billionaire ni inyong migo.
Muli ngang nag-open up si Ellen Adarna patungkol sa failed marriage o relationship nila ni Derek Ramsey. Narito nga ang ilan sa mga katanungang kanyang sinagot.
I believe in mother's love. A mother's love is the highest form of love. Cheating, may it be emotional cheating, micro-cheating, digital infidelity, texting, no. All my bags are packed, ready to go. Love ako. I'm always calm. I've always been calm. And if you ask my friends and my nannies who's been there with me in my past relationships, I am not a shouting type. So, yun na. Diba? Nasa tuwan, sa nag-ingon ako nga, why am I recording daw without his consent? Why did I give him consent to shout at me? Kung di ka ganahan ma-recordan, ayaw pag sagit-sagit. It's my only way to protect myself. Babae, di ako. Diba? Kasi, hadlo kay dayo eh. What if na tabo? Laki is kusog. Kusgan mo yung laki. So, unsa man imuhang bout, diba? So, yun na. Kung dili ka ganahan ma-videohan kasi mong kabuang, di ayaw pagbuang-buang. Pagtarong og storya. Mura na simple. And I did not grow up in an environment na my father and my mom fighting, shouting at each other. No. I never heard my father shouting at my mom. So, akong childhood with my parents, like, peaceful and calm. My father was a very calm person. So, when I hear shouting, it's not okay. It's not okay for me. It's not normal for me. It's not normal. But I have friends who grew up in an environment na ang parents pagsigig-away. So, that kind of situation, shouting, fighting, is normal. So, but me, no. I had a peaceful childhood with my parents. Or na, at least I can say, I tried, been there, done that. There's no point. It's just paper. And if you check and research about why marriage exists, the history of it, I'll screenshot and you can dive deeper into it. So, of course, I did my research, like, why? Unsa man din yung pakasal pa man taon ko. So, na-research ko. So, mga dito. Of course, masking di ko mo drive aniday. I drove it once ever in my life when it arrived inside the village, but I never used it. So, I don't like driving and I don't like expensive cars. It's a liability. So, yeah, of course, kahit pa lang yung passenger princess, lahat na. Pupunta. Ako yung baligya, ang niya ako butang sa traspan yan. So, funny story, tatong pagkuha na nako sa Bentley, yan na yung boy, ay ma'am, may babayaran, kunin mo lang sa kasa. May babayaran kasi pinaservice ni sir. Okay. Nga, gikuha naman siyang boy, so nakunin ko sa kasa. Karon, pagkuha na ko sa balay, waray 1 hour, text yung boy, ma'am, i-deposit mo na lang sa account ni Sir D with the bill for the second time. I-sandan ko bill for the second time. So, okay. So, nitawag ko sa iyang mga ex-friends. Ex-friends lagi niya. Ang gichikan, huy, ako gipabayad sa service nga 65,000 nga, binuko billionaire ni inyong migo. But anyway, matong chika. Okay, mabayad ko with it. Na busy lang ko this weekend moving in. But wait lang.